pretty cool shader. I just had an idea. What if I do the heat first and then the coffee second? Ugh. Need that first sip. Uh-oh. Am I addicted? Put it off. I'll show restraint. So I wrote down an extra thing after. After the stream. But it don't. I don't think you can put where in traits, can you? Oh, it's restricting the associative type. Yeah, do it. Do it, do it, do it. Same here. Oh, you can. Uh, uh, I think it's like this. But geez. Oh no. Okay, whatever. Yeah, it's not quite correct. Hmm. Consider further restricting. Is that what I say? Jeez. Uh-huh. Right. And then it's that. Um, trade bounds. Trade bounds. Okay. Okay, let's go. I think we need T and U. T, U. And then we output U and we go. I'm a little bit surprised that you can put where here. Okay, so where self vertex core ups sub output equals T. And then T core ops mul I64 output equals U. And then that's simpler to read. By a lot. That is so much simpler to read. Okay. Whoa. Okay. TU. So this one just needs T really. Required by a trait bound. Oh, I see. It's all good now. Let's go. I did not expect to be able to do that. That is very nice. Uh-huh. Trait bounds. Very powerful. Okay, so now there is 3 implementations. I need type what is there? Offset. Okay, type vertex equals this guy. Type normal equals, I believe this is still bigger. Face is normal. Oh. Okay. Oh. Is that for real? Ooh, nice. Okay. So here. Okay. Transformed mesh. So vertex, I don't really know. I believe this thing gives 2x. Having associated types was the right call here. Do I make the normal crazier than that? Okay. So if this is 1 and this is 2, then this is 3. And then oh geez. And this is 4. So the thing about the normal matrix. Oh, actually no, it can be big. I was gonna say like it's just a rotation matrix, but it's not. I think this is fixed 4. So n is, this is 3, this is 4. I don't know if that's a good idea, but let's give it a shot. So normal's 3. Mingowski. Oh my. So this is always the transformed mesh. Mesh vert. Mesh vert is 2, n is boy, that's wide. That's wide. Ooh, cross product. No wonder this is crazy. Okay, so I need the associated types. Mike Wazowski mesh. Okay. So a vertex is just like a subtraction, so that's probably fine. But the normal O is doubled. Oops, that is not double. What is 96 times 2? I don't actually care. 96 times 2. What do you think about that? Oh, the normal is 2? Well, that would be convenient. Oh. Shoosh. Okay, what is n? 3? And this vert is something. I do not know. What is this? 6. 192? Okay. Hee hee. Is this also 6? No. This is 5. This side is 5. We're getting out of hand here, but it's kind of fun. How wide can you go? Hello. Um, I'm making things crazy. 6. 6. Whatever, right? Whatever. Hello, 6. Okay. What else is down here? Oh, yes. This whole algorithm business. Hmm. Hmm. So best D isn't actually used anymore. The whole reason why I was doing this division. Was to keep it in check. Okay, so it has to be a ratio. Okay, what is this? This is a, oh my god, it's so gigantic. Huh. Um, this is an iter map, isn't it? Oh, it's this. Do I dare rewrite this algorithm? How dare you? I think I can't do this operation, so I'm just gonna not do it. Let's do ratio. Uh, something something. Okay, so what's this? Oh, it tells me exactly. Hell yeah. Woo. 10, 10. What is it? 320? Okay. What? Okay. It's close. Okay. Expected semicolon. Ah. Has type option ratio equals none. Oh wait. Oh, never mind. Has type. It is not an option. Ratio new. Fixed 0. Fixed 1. Does it have partial? Is not an iterator. Yet no, obviously it's not an iterator. I never implemented the operator. Let's go take a look at that. Rat.io. Ah, oh yeah, I really never did. Okay. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, well, let's take a look at some of these. I've got like, where's, oh. Give me that. Give me that. There it is. Okay, give me that. All right, we're gonna do some skooky thing like this. Where did it go? Ratio. And where are we gonna do it? Right here. Okay, so we got num den ratio num den Can I don't, there's no way that I can do this with trait bounds, right? Option ordering. Self dot num other self dot den. Okay, so where really is a problem. It's not. Uh, but I don't want that. Can we, is it like this? Like what? Bruh, no way. That was silly. Okay. First implementation. Oh, what the hell? Oh. Okay, so how we would do like this? It's like self dot num times other den dot compare other dot num self den. And I do believe that will be good. I'm gonna need some trait bounds like this, and it's gonna be like I think both num and den have to have copy here. Yeah. And then num has molden. Output equals t, I guess. And And then T has ORed. NAR. Oh, it needs a frickin' one of these, doesn't it? WART. Ratio T den. We're not comparing it with ratio T den. Oh, is that a somewhere? Is it trolling me somewhere else? Eek. Oh, it wants frickin' eek. Okay. Okay, well then. Does that just... How does this work? What is this? What does this want? Option? Really? Is that not a bool? I'm confused. Ugh. Okay, it is bool. Jeez. Jeez. Okay. Hmm. Uh. Where's the eek? I think you can do this, right? Oh, hell nah. Copy. Malden. Okay. Isn't fixed point bad if you get too far from origin? That's the other way around. Floating point is bad if you get too far from origin. Fixed point is good everywhere. You just have to be like hyper aware of how many times you've multiplied the numbers together to like know if it's getting too big or too small. You have to like know the initial range, and then like every time you multiply, that range expands, and it can easily overflow or underflow with like one multiply. Which is why I made this library. And when you multiply two fixed point numbers. So where is it? Multiply. Wide mul. So I have this feature called wide mul. God, what a mess. So I can't use const generics, so it has to be a huge mess. Because I have to implement like each width multiplied by each other width. It's horrible, but it is what it is. Wide operators. Okay, so here it is. So you have like 64 bits on the left, 64 bits on the right. When you multiply them together, the result can be 128 bits. So I have this wide mul. Roblox has floating point precision error, and they never bothered fixing it. Well, it's not fixable. That's the thing. It's not fixable. You need like, it's just constant hacks and workarounds instead of like directly addressing the issue, which is floating point for world positions. It is my personal opinion that fixed point is better for world positions because it's uniformly distributed throughout the entire world instead of concentrated near the origin. You can just make the origin player relative. Well, that doesn't really work. You can't make everything relative. Things need to have an absolute position. Are you going to be renaming? More like deleting. So when Rust gets const generics, I'll be able to delete most of this code, and it'll like work better and be smaller, and have less like weird code and like more generic. So like this is only implemented for a specific fractional percentage. So like it's a 64-bit integer, and it interprets the first 32 bits as a fractional part of the number, or the 32 least significant bits. And then the most significant bits are like integer parts. So 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 means 1. What are the boundaries going to be within fixed point world positions? What do you mean? With this library, I can just make it min and max. Like you can literally just have something on the edge of the world, and it'll work as good as if it's in the center. Well, that's the hope anyways. It's not implemented yet. What was I doing? Right, I was implementing eek. T molden about you, and then num eek u. What is this guy smoking? Wait, why does it say num molden? Right, I guess that is true. I see. Okay, so it's trying to use the above definition, but it don't be working. Is there like a can I like specify it, or is that not real? Is not a member, so you literally can't do this. It's only for self. Stay inside the chunk. Yes. So the thing is, things still need to have an absolute position. Like your objects need to exist. Like I guess you have chunks then, and like you use fixed point numbers for chunks, which is just an integer, and then you have some offset. And like this is hacks and workarounds, right? This is what I'm talking about. Just use fixed point integers for the positions. Floats are great. Floats are good for the velocity and acceleration and differences between positions. But absolute positions should be fixed point numbers, in my opinion. I think that fixed point is the natural way to represent positions. 0, 1, 0, 0. What? What are you saying? Is that or? Bits or 32? Okay, that's a wall. Okay, I see. You're just making up your own notation. Okay, so that's your decimal point. This is how I would have written it. I would have written like I guess dots are bad. I don't know. 0.0. What I did before is I said, oh, this is a fixed point with 8 bits and 4 or like U8 or something, and 4, it doesn't matter, 4 fractional bits, and then the decimal point is right here. So yeah, that's four. Ah, yes, the number. That's it. The left looks longer than the right, but they're both 32 characters. So this is I-64 32. So this is the number. the default precision, and then it doubles every time you multiply. Yeah, so this is the number 1. Let's go. Hello. Cutie streamer. All right. So can am I prevented from doing this? I don't think it's that useful, actually. Okay, so this is like only implement self Rust's operators aren't actually that good. Okay, so I think I'll need a T. So T this, and then num malden output T. And I believe num and den both need copy. T does not need copy though. And then this is self. by default. So num, this is literally just this, except worse. Oh, what the hell? Oh, I did it wrong. Nice, okay. Oh no, it's here. What the hell? What the hell are you talking about? Okay. You good? T. Oh, self. Hey, okay. Okay, so it wants nummel then. That's true. Do I need the entire list of trait bounds? That's true. Okay. Wait. Okay. Cool woolen brother. Okay. Where? Beautiful. T. Cannot find den. Troll. Alright. Well, that's cringe. So I need every single one of these. Okay. Sure thing, brother. Actually, hold up. I think I can do better here. Where that's a little bit better. So like that is this trait bound because it's like I'm finding that. Okay. Okay. So partial ord. So this wants the same business. What do you want? Num den partial eq. Sure. Wait, what? Why would I want to do that? Oh my god. Like, that's not gonna work. Oh, T. Oh. Yeah, no, that's... Okay, so ord extends eq. Okay, so this is literally a non-starter because of that. Okay. So we just have to do it the exact same way. You literally are not allowed. Okay. Whatever you say, boss. Self. T. T. Yeah. A. And then ord. So what's up with this? Does ord extend partial ord? It does. Eek and ord. Eek, ah. What is this for? Game engine. Let's see. I'll demo it. Look at this. Do I even have? Yeah, I do. Okay, so here we go. Wow, it's the game. I'm playing the game. Hold on. What am I doing? I'm gonna do this. Yeah. So this is a working physics engine that I wrote. And I am rewriting it now. To use a new math library that I wrote over the past 3 weeks. Oh, this is good fast. Ow. Oh. Oh, nice. Oh. Nice. Oh no, my mouse is acting up. Ah. Bruh. The tape on the bottom is coming off. Horrible. Bruh. Okay. You did 3D rendering from the ground up. Almost. I mean, it's. I guess so. Yeah. It's using WGPU, which is using Vulkan. It's like a. It's like a abstraction. It's so like WGPU implements Vulkan, Metal, DirectX 11, DirectX 12, and OpenGL, and it's one API that can run on any of those APIs. So it's just another graphics API. So I guess the answer is yes, that I did do it from the ground up, but it's using this abstracted API, which is just another graphics API. Yeah, so it's drawing polygons. God damn. That sucks. Mouse is falling apart. The skates, that's what they're called. Yeah, this is not usable anymore for BHAP. I need to get new skates, I guess. So I think I can do the same trick. Board. Oof. T. Okay, whatever. Oh, what the hell? Okay. Ore bones. Okay, so now this thing still doesn't work. What? Isn't that CMP? Ha? 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 Max? Don't you just get... Oh, max min. Okay, so those are here. Don't you only need to do this one, though? Is that allowed? Core. Less or equal. What the hell? Is this for real? Is that just gonna be how it is? Is that allowed? Do you like that? No. LT. Trait bounds were not satisfied. Oh. It's because you can't multiply 10 by 10. It only goes up to 16. And 10 multiplied by 10 would be 20. Bruh. 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 Ain't no way. Alright, well, we got too big. Oh, my Achilles tendon. Calf. My calf. My calf. Okay, what is this? 3 NN 6 2 10. 10 multiplied by 10 would be 20. Yeah, because it's the number of digits in the number. Okay, so you can't do this because the number's too big. Big ass numbers. Big ass numbers. Is this just to make it positive? Well, it's not. No. I don't actually know what this is doing. Must be behind other face. And then what does best DD mean? What is this? This is the... Oh god, Minkowski vert edge. Faces are listed backwards. What does that even mean? So probably it's mostly zeros. D, face 1N, face 1NN. So this is dotted with itself. So this is just like normalizing the vector length. Edge 0NN. Okay, I see. So this is literally just normalizing the vector length. there any other way to do that? Not with integers. Okay, I am just gonna cheat because it's. Oh, that is 78. It is not likely to be this wide. So I can just like 8. Assume not every number is huge. Hey! So now you're allowed to do this. And it's really expensive on the CPU. Breathe it in. So this is the same algorithm. Okay, so I will do the exact same thing. So what's the difference here? Okay, it's mesh 1 versus mesh 0. Yeah, okay. Oh my god, bro. Fix 8. Incredible. Incredible. Okay. Collect. Ah. Oh. Ah. Oh. What is my hair doing in my face? N. Can I just say, hey, it's Vec, and we're good to go? Nice. Easy clap. Okay. Is empty volume. Oh. Give me a little bit more coffee. Okay, so this algorithm, where is this used? Just for that. Okay, so what is this thing? 3. Can I just like zoink this? Okay, so this is 3. What? This will be like tripled now. Don't care what that is. You good? Oh. Uh. Okay. Function here. Yeah, that's right. Goo. Okay, so I have to do like 2 vec. Okay, screw it. Ah, jeez. Fix 3. Let's go. And then it's way worse. Let's go. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Be numb. Wait, how does this work? Wait, what? Oh, it's okay. It's just wrong here. There's no way. 3. It doesn't work like that. Why is this saying? Okay. 3 from 2. That doesn't make sense. What is n? N is 2. Okay, so this is a... N, 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 N. Is this a 3? It is, okay. So I can... 3 should be enough here. Wait, what? I see. Okay, so it doesn't want to do that, but I need it to do that. Okay. So it's doing... It's normalizing it. Wait. N. There's only 2 N's. Interesting. So, well... Minus. Oh. Add reflected mesh one faces. Oh. Um... So it's just kind of checking a thing? There's gotta be a better way to do this. Okay, so okay, there now it is complaining about this, which is what I thought. Okay, game. Three should be enough. It'll be fine. Because face n is a 3, and then we have n times n, and n divided by n. So that's like removing it. So it is like doing integer division, but like, oh well. It'll be fine. Okay, game. Ah! Is that allowed? No. Expected. Oh. You can't do that. Okay, so I don't actually need to do this. The normal can just chill and be a stupid number. He. What the hell? What? Okay, so. Dot. What is dot? Oh my god. Oh my god. Ugh. 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 It's fine. Dot. Okay, so what if I just do it's fixed? Okay. Uh. Ha. Ha. Is that correct? Oh, this is the average. Okay, I see. I see. Okay. 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 Well, I can work with that. Uh, find the average dot. Normal. Okay, so we're gonna wanna do something stupid here. So divided by length. And then this one has to be squared because like haha yes. Probably the length isn't over 5 trillion, so it's probably fine to just square it. Divide. Oh, what the hell? Oh, what the hell? Trait bounds were not satisfied. Fix to divide I-64. Oh, what the hell? I never defined that? Okay. N from you. What? It's did it what? Ha? 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 It doesn't. Isn't it that one and this one? Wiki is back. Yes. I got its name to put it back up like a week ago. There's a problem where Roblox wants me to have a company and do paperwork for a company in order to have OAuth 2. And I don't want to do that. So we can't have logins and edit the wiki without that. So it's a stalemate. I mean, we can, but it's way more work. We need auth, yeah. Who's gonna do the StrafeNet paperwork for Strafe Corp? Okay, why doesn't this cover it? Multiplicative operator, U, type U. U is from, being from U. You can do bint from R64, can't you? Victor, wait, what? Why? Wait, there's a new error. Ah. Mike Wazowski, huh? True. Why can't I divide by an integer? Let me divide by an integer. What the hell? What the hell? Oh my god, wait. Ops. Oh, what the hell? Oh, what the hell? Divide is... What? Divide. Ah. Ah. Oh. Okay, so divide is implemented, but divide is not implemented. Div is implemented, divide is not. Or rather, div is replaced with something else, and do I just add it, or do I figure something out that's more general? Boy, what the hell? Whatever. Copy paste. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. I-64. Amazing. Oh, it doesn't exist. God damn. Oh, I can just do it. Right. Okay. Nice. Poggers. Actually, that's probably busted. Okay. Wait, where's the errors? Oh, you can't do that. Dude, why? Just do it! It literally is satisfied. It is literally satisfied. I literally just satisfied it. Wait, what the hell is output? Oh, it's self. Made nulls in Rust. What? What, like a hack? Or like for the strafe client? Hack for Roblox. Oh, not wide mall. External nulls for Roblox. What? Okay, so you're just operating on like pressing keys and you're not like injecting anything. Okay, so I did it wrong. That's fun. Okay, so wide mall and deferred division. Where is this? Wide mall. Okay, so if wide mall and yes deferred division, then it's right here. Trolling. Conflicting. Where? Oh my god. Oh. Ah. It's because this is left hand side, right hand side, and this one only needs to iterate over left hand side. Bro, is it really that hard to divide by 3? Oh. What? Okay, so I need some stupid thing like this. No. I need 1 to 16. Impl macro 16. Like this one. Macro 16. Mul. Oh. Oh, it just does it. I think this is 1, right? Okay, so it's big, fat, wide, everything, and then it does it after instead of during. Okay. That was way harder than it needed to be. Okay, so left is 1, right is 2. What is this? Next, transition vert. Minkowski. Point. Point. What is RDev? Yeah. 2. So realistically, this has to be a fixed 1 because it has to exist in the world. If we're being real here. Good reasoning. Good reasoning. D is unknown. Ah. Three from 4. So D is 3. NN is 4. D. Sure. Whatever. I don't care. You good? Shut. Okay. Ah. Easy clap. Easy clap. Okay. Minus. Right. So delta pause. So this is another point that must exist in the world, right? So I can just fix this. Shut. I guess I can. I guess this is actually faster to do like this. Interesting. Huh. I see. So actually, what I should do is I should make the vertex be not like that because this is a cube. Okay, so where's my implementations? Find implementations. Okay, so the normal can be stupid, but the vertex has to be 1 because it exists in the real world. So the fix is right there. And then we also go to the last one. And the same thing applies. Vertex. Okay, so that should work. What's up with this now? Expected 6, found 3. Well, that is convenient. It is so much smaller now. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. Expected 3, found 6. Okay, what size is this? N is 3. Okay, n is 3, right? Sub 6. What the hell? Okay, D, what the hell? N is 1, 1. N is 2. Vert is 1. So this is 3. Okay, D is 4. Ah! Mods! Mods! Help! Yes! Okay, so I could just like say, oh yes, it's 3, but I want to like actually figure out what's going on. So this is, it's already 3. Why is this 4? Huh. Huh. 3, 4. So I mean that sounds like a 4 to me. Expected 4, found 2. For real? Can we do 2? That'd be nice. Yeah, 2. Actually, wait, why is that 3? Huh. Uh, we're gonna. Uh, uh. This is a world space vertex. You betcha. Okay, so now this guy's like, okay, so D, what is D? D is 3? D is 1, 1. Ooh, it's correct now. Let's go! Holy. Okay, I've just been cooking nonstop. What in the tarnation? Oh, I love it. I love it. I love my wide multiply. It's like, instead of like, oh no, the precision is going away. It's like, it got wider. And then I can like carefully decide when to, like instead of randomly losing precision, I'm doing the actual average. Actually actual. For real, for real. Okay, so is this still real? Is it real? Okay, so do we still need 4? Okay, so if this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. I'm gonna write that comment here. Vertex is a world position must be. Okay, so yeah. Do I put this back to hard coding it? Or like hard code? Maybe I do. Oh. Things might be nicer like this. Let's try it. Where is it? Okay, so this is always like that. Vertex. Oh my god. Okay, so vertex is always yeah. And then there's none of that business. And then what about this one? Sub, vert, sub, parity. Yeah, no, there's none of this. It's just the thing. Hooray! Vertex must be vertex. So vertex must be because it represents a world space position. An actual. Yar. And we introduce new errors. Oh. Yeah. 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 Holy moly. Okay, I want to continue to scroll through these. Fix 2, fix 3. Sheesh. So this is actually a 4, and I'm making it a 3. And this is a 3, and I'm making it a 2. So, like, what's the point if it's going to be like that? So, should we just go 4? So, if I do this, D is 4. Then that just works, right? And I just don't need any of this. Except for this one. Ah. Hey, okay. Okay, and then now this guy. Okay, so this guy is a cross 1-1, which is a 2, but it wants a 3 to match the under type. So I can just do that. F3, and then this one can be a FU 4. And that doesn't step on any toes. And it's less awfully wide. Okay, so this thing, what the hell? Okay, expected 3 found 5. Yeah, okay. So what is 5? I got no idea. I think it's 160. Hey. There is no 5. You can't do 5. Aw, hell nah. Oh, hell nah. Oh, hell nah. Okay, so in order to do 5, you need 20. And that 20 is a bit much. So n is 3. Oh. N is 4. Ah, and that's where the 5 comes from. Okay, so what the hell? Why is this? Right. Okay, so the 3 comes from 1, and then the cross product of 2. Yeah, so it's the skew mesh causing this to be 3. uh, is that good though? If I make this 5, because like, I'm gonna add the time anyway. Okay, so t time. So I need to compare the times. Extrapolated velocity t is negative. Best time t. Okay, so all I'm doing is checking, is this the best time? Is this wrong? No, it's subtracting, isn't it? Yeah. These ones are really hard when I have to convert to time. Because like I really want time to be a ratio. D outside of times 2. I see. Nice. Good warning. Good warning. So there's 2 problems here. One of them is that zeros is not defined for 5 digits because that would require 20 digits, and I only made the library go up to 16 digits. But I also wanted 20 for the ratio. So screw it, right? And then the second problem is I need to figure out the body motion, the motion of the body with ratio time. So this shouldn't be that crazy, but I'll need to like have some compare time to ratio. Actually, that's not. That's a grand idea actually. Compare time to ratio. Have like a dedicated function like compare, and then it just does. I wonder if a cross multiplier would work here. If it would just like know what to do. So time would be 1, 1, but then t would be 5, 5. That would work. That would work. The cross multiply would work. It's definitely uglier than less than, but like the Rust operators aren't actually good enough to properly write it. They're actually missing a lot. So like when you do less than, it requires them to be the same type. You can't have two different types and implement your own business logic, which is what I would need to do if I wanted to use it. Unlucky. Well, cheese treat. Okay, so should I? Okay, I should probably have a time to ratio. Why don't I write that? So I did this, which was kind of weird. Oh, can I make that const? Ooh. Holla, 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 holla. To ratio. That's it. Const. Const. I love const. If I made the whole program const, then it would compile all possible bhop sessions, and then it would just display the result instead of running the game. It would use 0% CPU. But unfortunately, that's not possible in our universe. It's hypercomputation. It's not Rust's fault. Cringe. Okay. So if I do like this, I go like to ratio. And then I do that as well. I guess I add ratio, RHST. Now we're talking. So now I can do like LT ratio. So it's not as bad as the like numden stuff I was writing before. Num. Um, yeah. Okay, well that's some stuff. Wow, I am going to buy viewers for my Twitch channel that I do for concentration and focus. These poor people who got hacked go into the time limit. Oi. T. T is 5. Um. Uh, I think it makes sense. 2 hours. I gotta stop looking at the time. Oh. Well, very close to finishing out this file. I should just like move on to this file and see how that goes. Okay, so what is N? Unused is good. Uh, face ND. Oh, this is an arbitrary mesh query. Oh God. Uh, Wait a second. Is there some way I can construct? No. This might actually pose an issue. No method dot found for associated type. Ah! Okay, so this is the same thing. Ooh, tough. That is tough. How the hell did it work before? I see. So it just already knew the type because all mesh queries had the same type. Bruh. Okay, well, uh, I am not sure how I'm going to do this actually. This is general across uh, the stuff. So I think I think I don't use it for anything other than Minkowski. So I might just Mike Wazowski. Instead of having impl mesh query, I would just like directly do it on the Mike Wazowski. Which is a bit sad. I don't think I use this for anything else though. Generics are cool and all, but when you don't have const generics, well, I guess that doesn't really help here either, because like you have to know this exists. So you need a trait. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, yeah, mesh query associated type. Is that a 3? I think it's 3. So this is 4. The cap. That's cap. Pancake or waffles? Why do you need to choose? It's that's really a why not both situation. Thank you for 100 bits. Okay, so I think this is the same deal. It's 2 ratio and then add ratio. Ah. Less than or equal to? Okay. Ah. I should save at the very least. Let's see. Uh, I did do many work. Let's see. Let's go back to physics and take a look at this. So there's one error chungus. So this function is used all over the place. Okay, so what I'm thinking is normalize to I64 max. Uh, yeah, it has to be like that. Hmm. So I guess I do a little conditional here. So like if I don't need to do a division, I can just like not. But if it's too big, it's probably not too big. If we're being honest. It's probably not. Error. Right. There's no to or from. Position into. God, it's why is it so mentally exhausting to do this? Maybe I'm not used to thinking about bit widths. I cannot be done yet. Is there any other? Ooh. Body default. Alright. IZ. True. Be gone. None. Splendid. 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 Huge. What? Oh, okay. Uh, I think these are not real, right? Uh, It's pretty close, man. How many errors? 25 errors to go. They're kind of a doozy, but because it's like the most core implementation of like the the stuff it was aiming for by making the library. Which, like, not gonna lie, now that I said that out loud, that sounds like some Monday business. Getting to the root of the ideas that I put forward and implementing them to the best of my ability. This was a good idea. I had this idea today, and that was a good idea. I think that this is gonna carry me on Monday. This idea, disability to have ideas. I'll write down how implement for Mike Wazowski only. Capital M, capital W. Yay. I need like a second project that I can switch to when I'm like overwhelmed by this. Well, but that okay. So working with the it'd be nice to like jump to I mean, I have Git. So I could do like multiple rewrites at once. I could like work on like scripts in maps or something. That's probably a good move, cause like this is I need iteration with this. So I need to like work on it for 4 hours and then sit on it for a day. So if I'm having really short days, I need to have like multiple write heads. Roblox BHAP. Well, who even wants that? I don't think anyone wants that. What even would I add? Replace bot queue. All right. What did the neurons have to say about that? So to me, it seems like a really complicated issue. So instead of trying to make like distributed systems, the logic is actually very simple. So just duplicate the code. I think that's the solution. The simplest solution is to just duplicate the code and to do what you were already going to do instead of trying to manage asynchronous state and like stuff. Just duplicate the logic and compare the times, I think. It seemed like the initial obvious solution, and I thought, well, what if we have the database decide, but the database is out of sync with the game, and things could happen in any order. Like there's many cases. There's like you get a time and there's no other times at the same time, and that's like easy to do. You just replace the bot. And then there is, what if you get a time that's world record, someone else gets a time that's not as good as yours, and then yours comes back from the database first and theirs comes back from the database second. Well, it should display your time. And then what if the same case, but theirs comes back from the database first and then yours comes back from the database second? It should still display your time, but that's a different case. And then the other way around, there's 4 cases. Well, there's infinite cases, but like 4 main cases you have to think about. And if you just like implement the logic, it just handles everything fine. It's just not extensible, but it's not really going to be extended. So I think that is the way, is to just have the local logic that you are already doing, and we just accept the fact that distributed systems are hard and that I don't know how to do it. Baba Booey. Did you do any business? If we want the data from it. So this is like, I was wondering if the old code would provide any insight. This is nice. It's good that you did that. Actually, is this the same thing? Prevent replacing. Is this a separate fix? Or do you have 2 comments? So, okay, so it's client side. Oh, that's even worse. That's like proxy distributed systems. Oh my god. Unnecessary state replication to the client. That's basically it. Oh yeah, you're only doing it on the server. Right. Okay, so the replacement already compares the time, so all you're doing is filtering by moderation status. Retrieved with a moderation module. But is there like a cool people thing for that? How does the moderation thingy work? That's a good idea. How does it work? Does it make sense? The players, it should be there somewhere. Somewhere it should be there somewhere, right? Well, here's the somewhere. Okay, so it gets got. Oh, there it is. You goober. Okay, so literally you just ask the thing. Is there a function to do that? Probably. Cool. The global table. Yay, we love global tables. Hooray! Oh man, I love state that you don't know if it's replicated or not or synchronized. Oh yeah, it's the best. Oh, I love attempt to index nil value. It would have to be a local fetch. What are you talking about? It's server side, right? Don't you need to just call a moderation function that just checks this value? Surely. Oh, it's in load. God damn. Okay, it's not a freaking module. Bruh. Did I delete the local module? I think I did delete the local module. It's not a module. Bruh. Well, good luck with that. What are you doing? I'm offloading work onto the BHOP workforce. Oh my god. Oh, after the splicing is finished. Okay. Okay, well, let's take a look at this again then. I do like that this is removed. This is making a lot of sense. Okay, so what even... What is this? This is bot timeline cleaning. Okay, so it's... Okay, this is a timeline. And it's going backwards along the timeline, deleting the events that are unrelevant. And then... And then it's using the run timeline to do splicing. This is a Lua moment right here. Okay, I understand what's going on now. My questions were worthwhile. Okay, so it's because it previously would just wipe the entire mode. Isn't that... Doesn't that conflict? Oh, is this negative? Sentinel values. Ha 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 ha. Okay, we're going to look at custom enums. Mode all. Yeah, it's a sentinel value. Okay. So it just so happens to not conflict in this case. Well, no, it is designed that way. Mm-hmm. And so it's implicitly hijacking this mode ID for time travel events on the run timeline. And everything else that's irrelevant just comes along for the ride. Okay, so where is it written then? Okay, so this was already here. What the hell? Okay, so run. Run? That doesn't exist, does it? What the hell? Okay, so it was already polluting the timeline. But this is sort of like using it properly instead of having some weird secondary timeline. It was already doing that. What song is this? It's the guy. Cano Italo Disco. Well, everybody get down. So this. Okay. So it's okay. Um, this is like. Uh, um. Okay. So it's doing this. To clean the timeline a little bit so that the other loops are less polluted. This is awful. Okay, so this comment is what I was about to comment. What? 2 years ago? Oh my god. Have you guys been doing this for 2 years, or is this, am I? 'Isn't that not correct? Don't you only want save state, load state? Two years since bot splicing. No, not bot splicing. Since, was this the big one? Okay, so so I'm explicitly saying let's keep task events instead of implicitly uh, including all mode events, which sometimes is like run flag stuff. And then what about down here? So this is just everything. Uh, okay, yeah. Okay. Okay, save lock. Okay, yeah, that was confusing because it was implicit rather than explicit. If I call it unused locals, you might remove the other ones, but like, whatever. Okay. Okay, so that's what confused me is like, how is that relevant? Actually, that's not used now. So we can do this. Oops. Okay. 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 Great fix by Aiden. Cool stuff. Big beans. Nice. Okay, cool. Let's go. Okay, force pushed. No way. What did you do? Why did you rebase? I got no idea. I'll have to re-review it. Okay, well, got to the bottom of that. That was good. Was good. Gabagoo. Hey. Okay, cool. Nice. 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 Okay. Well, is there any other business I need to attend to? Ooh, there's some maps. More map fixes. We love map fixes. I hate moaning songs. Keep your moaning to yourself. Five, 3, 2, 7, 1, 0. 103. So it's these three. This is something else. Yay. Is this text? It's gotta be, right? Yeah, so this is actually XMX. My man. Yeah, I got you. Good, 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 good. Okay. Good, 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 good. Well, I did some more great work. And but there's still more work to do. I can't believe it's all gonna come together so easily. I really thought it would be like actually 5 times harder than this. And it's still pretty hard, but it there's a surprising amount of code that did not need to be touched. I thought that like I would need to like carefully read every single line of math in the entire code base and then carefully I kind of did, but oh, can I let's go. Okay, this thing. So if this is a ratio, instead of doing divide and fix, I can say this demands a ratio, and then I can use the same idea. So like I was looking at this yesterday, I didn't think of the ratio idea. Okay, so this is a ratio, for real. That is a compile time thing, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so then we can do T0 to ratio, and then LT ratio T, and then T LT ratio T1 to ratio. Let's go. Ratio. And then that'll be like what the hell going on in the business. That'll be doing it. Ratio. Found a way to retrieve moderation status for making 6 billion changes. Very nice. That's my favorite thing is when you guys think of some change that is minimal that I didn't think of. It's like two brains are better than one. Two heads are better than one type stuff. Give me your brain. Can I quickly do into? Let's go do that. Into float. Okay. From into. Do I have the other things? Okay, so from. That's great. Okay, into F 32. How about how? Okay, it'll be a little macro guy. Where did it go? There it is. Why does Studio reinstall every day? Because Roblox pushes updates every day. Didn't I write this already? It was in display. It's right there! It's literally the same macro name. I literally am consistent, which I am happy about. No way. Into float. Okay, so I guess I didn't do it on the okay, so I guess I can do linear, linear, dinier, vector from. So okay, I can do into from. I can have. So I can have a little thing that's like, oh, if you into, then you into. If you from, then you from. So it's like this kind of business. Copy default. I think from into from. Copy. I don't know. Is from. Okay. Tu. So what? Like T from you vector T from vector U NU for vector T. From from value dot map from okay. Is into gonna be a problem? Self. Oops. Oh, it's broken. Okay. That's what I thought. But that's all right. You got another one? Okay. I got you. There you go. So why is it being cringe? CD strafe fix linear ops. Remove the qualifier. Oh. Wow. Oh, what the hell? What do you mean conflicting implementations? Is could are you not supposed to do both? Does he do like that? Oh. From. Oh. Huh? What do you mean? Why would it be conflicting? Oh, conflicting implementation in core. What the heck? Impl T for T. What the hell, boy? Boy, what the hell? Wait. Oh. Oh, it's wait. Like I could just do map into, but like into is convenient. Bruh. Bro. Bro. Okay, like annoying, but whatever. I can work with it. I did not realize I already implemented the thing, the float. Grab pick. Okay, so down here it'll be like it'll do like uh map, 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 uh into F32 into. That is still wrong, right? The trait bound. What are you smoking? It. We don't care about the vector right now. What? Can I have IDE, please? Okay, there we go. Jesus. That's what I expected. Okay, so uh to array into. Okay, that's very wacky. Like this should probably just be one function, but Something like that. Ow. Why is it conflicting implementation? Oh my god, bro. Is there an into on this? No, there's not. Huh? Trade bounds. Is that a foreign trade on foreign type? Oh my god, bro. Checking if I move the spawn block down instead of the start zone up, that it doesn't need a wipe. Yes. So yeah, okay, so what matters is what is the position of the spawn relative to the rest of the map. So if you move everything together, then that happens a lot in map fixes, and that's why I made the system. Otherwise, like, the bots would be somewhere else, right? So all the bots are relative to the map start position. So like if you move the spawn but not the rest of the map, then I think that's good. You can also, as long as the position doesn't change, you can resize the start zone, as long as the position is exactly the same. But that's kind of hard to do with Roblox Studio. Probably you'd want to like turn off automatic positioning and then set the size property directly instead of like using the like resize thing. But technically that is valid as well. Oh my god. Normal iter map as ref. This is so wacky. Wait, as ref. Oh, this wants a F32.3. Oh, hell yes. Oh, give it to me. Give it to me. Okay, so we don't actually need this. We do. Oh, give. Okay, so it's like watch this. V.to array into it's not satisfied. F32.3 from fix. For real? Are you for real? So arrays don't just implement into for everything? Bruh. Scam. For real? Okay. I think I can do the same business here. So it's actually shorter, which is a bit crazy. V as ref. Okay. Cool. That actually looks cleaner. Cool. Nice. Cool. Why does it still say 25? I fixed some errors. Why does it say 25? Wait, is this the same? No, it's a mat 4. Okay, so mat 3. Okay. Oh, I forgot. Desync just from started jumping the start zone. So that can be caused by the map being really far from the origin. So like 0, 0, 0. Local. No! I thought I deleted this. Skull emoji times 7. Lua. Skull emoji. Oh my god. Local. Free cam. Chat. Moderation. Changelog. Server list. Like this is just a hack to avoid making module scripts. Shouldn't exist. But it does exist. $588. It should not have problems that close to the origin. It should be like if it's like 10,000. $5M. Is this a 5-man reference? 2 comments. What happened to the other thing? Oh, I guess it's not needed. XD. What self-hosted Git is that? It's called Gitea. Gitea. Funny enough, the source code for Gitea is hosted on GitHub. Why don't they have their own website? What's the theme? I don't know. I'd have to ask. It's a name. My database developer set it up. I don't actually know how to do that. It is very nice, isn't it? I have Gitty. So like, yeah, just epic theme. Appearance. Would it be theme pitch black? Very nice. Well, this looks good, honestly. Well, I hate it, but job jolly well done. It's as good as you can do with the tools given. So this is going into staging. Good. Fixing the bots. I'm fixing the bots. Tommy's fixing the bots. Hooray! It'll be in the next update now because I clicked the button. Yoink. There it is. It's pretty incredible how the comments always accumulate. There's always some stuff that's waiting to go into the game. This is a like issue that sort of fell through the cracks that isn't causing that many problems, but good to change. Local pcall equals pcall. What is the point in that? So in Lua, local variables are faster than global variables. So if you're calling a function many times, instead of index the global table, call the function, index the global table, call the function, it just calls a local function, and it's faster. But in Lua U, there is not really any difference. So it's more of a legacy thing. Lua's not that bad. Interpreted language things. What the hell is 5M? Oh, I see. Strictly type Lua, that's still fundamentally unfixable. Just switch to Rust. Switch everything to Rust. We gotta do Rust. Troc. Oh. Ah. Man, I wonder how well the new math is gonna work. It might take all next week, or it might be a Monday thing. Monday only. Oops. But it is going so much smoother than I expected. Oops. Is that a bunny hop game? Yes. So I wrote this. I've been working on this for like 7 months. Maybe like 8 months now. And it's written in Rust. And it's a standalone game engine. So it's a game engine written from scratch. Oh, can't make that. Oh. It is astonishing that it works at all. I kind of revealed the House of Cards to myself a month ago, and so I started working on a math library to make it less unpredictable and like precision loss issues. Ah! And it took me 3 weeks to be happy with the library. Ah! But oh, does it kill your speed? No, man. Okay. What? Okay, I need to go here. And I thought that it would be like brain busting to rewrite the physics using the new math library, but it's like just slightly unpleasant rather than brain busting. Oops. That's a bug. Sean from Good Doctor. I've not heard that one before. People keep saying The Deep from The Boys. Very funny. Oh gosh, I sure love fish. Ugh. You have 10,000 hours on CSGO B-Hop. Or how are you that good at B-hopping? I have 10,000 hours on Roblox B-Hop. The ladders are bugged. The physics is bugged in general. So I have about 2,000 in like 2015. I had like 2,000 hours on Gary's mod, and that was a lot of death run. Okay, I'm just gonna cheat. Okay, there we go. That was a lot of death run B-Hop. And then that was in 2014, 2015. And then I made my own B-Hop game on Roblox. And played that a lot. And now I'm making a standalone B-Hop game. So yeah, I definitely, it's quite up there. It's probably closer to 5,000, maybe more like 5,000 hours, I would say. Probably closer to 5,000 than 10,000 hours. But that's still a lot. That's still like a year, you know. Maybe not even. Maybe it's more like 3,000, if I'm being honest. If my hour tracking worked properly, I could like reference that. But the data resets. The data was like, oh, come on. It corrupted really often, and it took a long time to fix the data corruption. It's probably accurate now, because it doesn't do that anymore. Logitech G Pro, of course. It's actually breaking on me. I've used it so much. Oh, come on. That was bad. That was just bad. All right, can we do the climb? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Hup, 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 hup. Yes! Oh, I missed that though. Where did it go? Wait, what happened? All right, I skip. See ya. I cheated. Oh, I can't do that. That mouse has infinite scroll wheel. Oh, the G502. Isn't that like the transformer looking mouse? Why would you want that? I just want something that clicks, man. If it's light and it clicks, that's the mouse for me. Oops. And it lasts a long time. And it's precise. You know, most things. There it is. That's the end zone. Let's check the time. How did I do? There it is. 436. 436 seconds. I really need to like have a timer UI. If I change the origin, do you need to rerun bots or anything? As long as you move the entire map together, it's good. And don't rotate it. Right, you can't really check it, can you? Rerun bots. Wouldn't that be great if I could just rerun the bots? That's the plan for the Rust game, is to re-simulate bots. When there's a map update or when there's a game physics update, rerun all the bots, and then that determines the new leaderboard times. So if you took a shortcut through the map that was patched in a map update, then the bot won't reach the end zone and you won't get a time. I thought you could do that in Roblox. I wanted, like, that's what I wanted when I started the rewrite 3 years ago, is I wanted to do that, but Roblox wasn't good enough. I had to compromise my design principles, and it turned out to be a huge mistake. But like, I wouldn't have been able to do it in the first place anyways, so it is what it is. I'm escaping Roblox now. I'm working on it. Another rewrite coming together. Die. Okay, well. What is your Git client? This is Zed editor. The Git client is Sublime Merge. Right. OS release. Oh, I can do you one better. Hell yeah. Is that a real thing? That sounds like some Debian. Yeah. That's not a real thing. It's now. What? I didn't know about that. Cool. All links to shows have it. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, like, was that it didn't. Why did it... Why did it do that when I tabbed? Whatever. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Ah. Don't have the time. Endeavor OS is another one. Arch install, yeah. Time to do a system update. Ooh. What do I get? Sudo rclone electron old version. Can I uninstall this? R. Mousepad got an update. Huh. Ooh. Updates failed. Damn. That usually doesn't happen. That's an out-of-date mirror, right? ISO codes. Love when my screen sharing works and has audio. Me too. When do we get the staging to master merge comment? Well, probably when the other things are in. Ah. Closed. Rip. Cheats. Huge. Enormous. Issues closed. Math test cheats. Yeah. Ugh. Email. Gmail. Proton Mail. Okay. Uh, I did pretty much what I wanted to do. It was quick, really quick. But yeah, that the bit width stuff for some reason is really like mentally draining. Um, it's the weekend, so I'll be back on Monday. I'm gonna play Wreckfest with my friends over the weekend. Wreckfest. I'm very pleased with the speed at which the the rewrite is happening. It's like so small. Actually, it's actually not that big of a rewrite. Touches like all the math code everywhere, but there's less code than I thought. Really, the engine is kind of small, and that's like the point. Is like it's focused. It's just an engine for this game specifically, and nothing else. Do you accept map fixes over the weekend? Uh, yeah, I should see that, and as long as it's like a non-white fix, and the map council adds it in, I can, and as long as the scripts aren't crazy. I have map council role. I thought you were chat mod. Did they approve you? If you make the map fix, you have to get a different council member to review it as like a sort of spell checking type business. Okay. Yeah, fantastic. Really coming together way better than I thought. The end. Click the button. End the stream. No more streaming. Goodbye. It's over. See you on Monday. Goodbye. I don't know why I'm waving like that.